Finding the best small food dehydrator can feel hard when your counter space is tight and you still want clean, even drying. The best small food dehydrator is the one that fits a small US kitchen, runs quiet, and dries fruit, jerky, and herbs without burning the edges. And that's what I've learned after testing a few at home. I've used these for apple chips, beef jerky, and dog treats, so I know where they shine and where they fall short. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. NESCO FD75A Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator. The NESCO FD75A Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator is the kind of machine you set up once and keep using for years. I noticed the 600W fast drying right away. It dries fruit and jerky evenly without hot spots. I like how steady the heat feels from start to finish. The adjustable temperature makes it easy to switch from apple slices to beef jerky without guessing. The expandable 12 trays design is great when I prep food in bulk. I can dry a lot at once and skip tray rotation. That saves time. It also feels nice knowing this dehydrator is made in the USA. That adds trust for long-term use. Cleanup is simple, and the included accessories help with fruit rolls and herbs. The downside is the plastic build feels basic. Still, performance stays solid. For home snacks and jerky, it works with calm, reliable results. Number 4. Elite Gourmet EFD329WD Digital Food Dehydrator. The Elite Gourmet EFD329WD Digital Food Dehydrator feels made for small kitchens and busy days. The Elite Gourmet EFD329WD Digital Food Dehydrator stands out with slim store trays that collapse and nest, so storage is easy after use. I also like the digital timer, which lets me set it and walk away without stress. Drying fruit and herbs feels even and steady, thanks to the base fan design. It runs quietly, which is great for overnight batches. Cleanup is simple since the trays are dishwasher safe. The only downside is the plastic build, which feels light. Still, for snacks, jerky, and daily use, it's practical and friendly. Number 3. Commercial Chef Food Dehydrator. The Commercial Chef Food Dehydrator is small and easy to live with. I like how light it feels and how fast it warms up. The low-power 280W keeps energy use low, which helps in small kitchens. The compact round trays fit well in tight cabinets. This makes it a solid choice as the best mini food dehydrator for beginners. I use it for fruit slices and simple jerky batches. The heat stays steady and flavors come through clean. The trays clean fast by hand. The only downside is the smaller tray size. Still, the Commercial Chef Food Dehydrator works well for quick, healthy snacks at home. Number 2. COSORI Food Dehydrator. The COSORI Food Dehydrator feels smooth and calm on my counter. The max heat 165 helps me make safe jerky with a firm bite. The 7-tray ad lets me dry more fruit when friends visit. This makes it fit well as the best mini food dehydrator for small homes. I use the COSORI Food Dehydrator for apples, herbs, and dog treats. It runs soft and quiet at night. The airflow stays even, so slices dry the same on each tray. The only small downside is the white shell can show marks. Still, the COSORI Food Dehydrator gives steady, clean, and tasty dry food every time. Number 1. Elite Gourmet EFD319 Food Dehydrator. The Elite Gourmet EFD319 Food Dehydrator feels like a calm helper in a small kitchen. I keep it on my counter and it never feels in the way. The temp range 95 to 158 lets me dry apple slices slow and soft. The base fan flow moves warm air in a smooth way, so fruit and jerky dry even on each tray. This makes it a great fit as the best compact food dehydrator for busy homes. I use the Elite Gourmet EFD319 Food Dehydrator for herbs, fruit rolls, and dog treats. The 5 BPA-free trays wash fast in my sink. I love the clear window. I can peek in with no heat loss. It runs quiet too. The only small downside is the round shape. It can limit wide strips. Still, the Elite Gourmet EFD319 Food Dehydrator gives clean, safe, and tasty dry food every time. Final verdict. If you want a simple, reliable choice for everyday drying, I personally recommend the Elite Gourmet EFD 319 food dehydrator as the best overall pick. It gives steady heat, clear trays, and easy controls that work well for fruit, jerky, herbs, and pet treats. It feels calm and dependable in real kitchens. For a specific need, the COSORI food dehydrator is a smart, budget-friendly option. It delivers quiet operation, expandable tray space, and solid results for larger snack batches and overnight dries. It works great for families or busy days. Check the description link for current prices and full details, and pick the food dehydrator that fits your style and need best.